Hello, welcome to Spinning It's Mint. Right, we've got the Escort going to an event in about 2 weeks' time, and that's in Buriram, which is 400 kilometres away from here. So it's an 800 click round trip. So what I've been doing, we had a trip last weekend, it was about 300 kilometres, and we came back with oil leak, some other bits and pieces. The fan belt was squealing, charge light was flickering, oil pressure light was coming on, just little gremlins that we've got to sort out. So we're getting this basically ready to do a road trip, and then at the end of the road trip we'll do some time trials with it. I've changed the brakes. I'm just about to check the brake fluid, and that's really the purpose of this video, is just to show you how, if you're fortunate to have a brake fluid tester, how it works. Right, this is the brake fluid tester. It actually checks the boiling point of the fluid. Now, because I can't remember when I last did the brake fluid on this, it's most likely that I did it after I painted the engine bay, because I took the struts out. I'm pretty sure I took the calipers off, but we'll find out for sure whether or not I need to change the fluid. So basically this unit just connects to the battery. That's the minus, and that's the plus, and it's firing up. So you need to immerse it, covering that hole, which is fine. Press and hold the switch. So the dry boiling point for DOT4 brake fluid is over 200 degrees C. If it gets 3% of moisture, that can drop the boiling point by 100 degrees C. And basically 3% moisture, it's useless. Right, boiling point is at 221 degrees C. So I am not going to change the brake fluid. Alright, peace of mind. But that's all for now. We'll see you later.